This is a fabulous trail, Comet Trail, Rainier. We're getting ready to do Comet Falls today. It's a beautiful sunny day again up here in Mount Rainier. This is Comet Falls. It's 320 feet, the tallest waterfall in the park.
One of the tallest.
One of the tallest.
We had to wait about 10 minutes to get a parking spot too, so
Yeah, but
get here early.
Yep.
No, it's not taking a video.
This must be Christine Falls. We're not sure about Christine Falls yet, but it's absolutely stunning. We are only about a half mile in to the Comet Falls Trail, and I'm telling you what, there's a lot of roots and rocks. Make sure you have your hiking boots on and you're paying attention. Plus there's tons of little spots along the way where you can stop and see sections of this waterfall. I'd say these don't meet code. People going up have right away. You should even know that. This is part of the trail. No lie. There goes the Comet Falls. You really gotta be watching your step.
Okay, we thought that was Comet Falls. That's not. That is. Holy crap.
Feet up.
Wow.
Wow. That is amazing. What do you say, 380 feet, give or take?
320.
320? That's good. That's amazing. That's cool. Don't fall. Pay attention. Holy shit. This keeps going. We're going to get to go up there where the mist gets you. This is a fabulous trail. Comet Trail, Rainier.
Talk about payoffs.
You need to do this one. It's 900 feet of elevation, well worth it. Bring a snack. We thought we saw it all. We got to the waterfall, and then some nice couple that was here told us to go around this little bend right here. And if you look, you can see a beautiful rainbow in the bottom of that waterfall. How cool is that? Rainbows and waterfalls. Bye-bye, Comet Falls. This was a gorgeous hike. This was a gorgeous hike. Well, we're coming to the end, and it was fabulous. That was a wonderful hike. I highly recommend it. Man, oh man. Now, I got about 4.83. We're almost to the car. And we saw, I don't know how many waterfalls we saw. How many did we see? Like 3 or 4.
Yeah,
but
3 or 4.
Every one of them had 3 or 4 steps to it. You know, and it was gorgeous. The wildflowers are great. If you come in another week or two, we're in almost late July now.
1,296 feet of elevation gain.
Yeah.
And I'm at 4.22. What'd you say you were at?
4.84, but mine's more,
yeah.
you know.
Okay, good hike though.
Yes, excellent hike. Excellent. Make sure you have hiking shoes and some drinks and some snacks. And if you come in 2 weeks, the raspberries will be out.
Probably one of the prettiest waterfalls
Yeah.
that I can remember seeing.
Yeah. And we had it all to ourselves for a while, plus rainbows. You ain't beating them.